Alright YouTube, me and Brittany had some spare time between work and traveling and everything that we got going on, so we decided to give you a locals guide tour of Big Sur, California. Follow along as we take a day trip from Monterey, California, our hometown, down Highway 1 to the world famous Bixby Bridge in Big Sur. Now we always suggest starting off a great road trip with some great coffee. So all the locals love to go to Carmel Valley Roasting Co. The coffee is amazing and they're all over the Monterey Peninsula. So now that we're all fueled up, it's time to head down the world famous Highway 1 in California. So when you're visiting California, we highly suggest you take a drive down this iconic highway and if possible, make a stop in Big Sur. Big Sur is one of the most scenic locations in all of California and should not be missed. Alright, so when traveling to Big Sur, if you see a pathway on the side of the road, simply pull over and start hiking it because you never know what you're going to find. Check out these amazing calla lilies that we found growing right next to the ocean.
Oh my gosh, how beautiful this is. How beautiful.
Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that little spot, but what you didn't see is that I ate it. I was trying to get that perfect shot, not paying attention, and I totally almost wrecked our new Sony camera, and Brittany would have been so mad. Luckily I fell on my elbow and I did the splits. I'm too big to be doing splits, by the way. But we got the shots, at least we hope so, and during the whole time I'm sitting here getting a look at this view. When you're coming down on to Big Sur, what a lot of people don't get is that during the summer months, the really traveling months, it's actually kind of cold here in Monterey. So always bring sweater, doesn't matter what it is. Always bring a sweater, always be prepared. The locals like the joke that we can always see who the tourists are because you guys will wear like Monterey Bay sweaters or whatever it might be. So big thing, come prepared and be ready for traffic. Big Sur is known. Once you get to Bixby Bridge, you will be in traffic and it's horrible. So hopefully you're prepared and you leave a little early. Alright, so if you're traveling down Big Sur Highway 1 and you're starving because there's not a lot of restaurants out there, we cannot recommend more Rocky Point Restaurant. You not only get some of the best beers, but you have the best views. And if you time it right, you can actually sit there on the deck and watch the whales coming out of the ocean.
Stop number 2 is Rocky Point Restaurant. It is totally worth a stop here. They have good food, good drinks, and this view though.
Right. Alright, so after you got a great meal, you're right down the street from Big All right, guys, so that concludes our Big Sur trip from Monterey. We're locals. We've lived in Monterey for about 5 years now, so we kind of know the ins and outs. This trip, it was just a great day trip for us. You got to see Bixby Bridge, go to our favorite restaurant along the way, and a couple little hidden spots. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So when you come out here, you can make the most of your trip. All right, and definitely go to Instagram, follow us at Our Globetrotting, and go below and hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. We have a lot of things planned this next couple months, including our trip to Bora Bora. Bora Bora is gonna be a blast. We're staying at the Four Seasons, Overwater Bungalow, and we have so many things planned. We're really looking forward to it. All right, guys, till next time.